Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today we are making a chia seed pudding. It's a great breakfast option because chia seeds are very rich in antioxidants and high in calcium. It's very simple to make, it's filling, it's healthy. So let's get started and let's make a delicious chia seed pudding. First of all, I am adding some chopped dates in a bowl. Chopped dates taste so delicious when it's soaked in milk. After that, I am adding some almonds, some chopped almonds in it. Then I am adding some raisins in it. Now add 1 cup of whole milk in the bowl. You can also use non-dairy milk like almond milk or soya milk into this. Then add 1/4 cup of chia seeds. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use maple syrup too. After that, 2 drops of vanilla essence I am adding. Now mix everything together. Give this a good mix. Put this in fridge for 4 to 8 hours until it becomes thick. When we let chia seeds soak in liquid, they swell up and expand in size and turn into a thick jelly-like texture. So nice and thick. This is ready now. Pour into a bowl. Top it with your favorite toppings. I love to top chia seeds pudding with some fresh fruits. Here I am adding some chopped apples, some bananas, some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. Our delicious chia pudding is ready now. Thanks for watching friends. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like the video, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.